Odoo Annual Maintenance Contract. The Annual Maintenance Contract Management module in Odoo gives users the ability to manage annual maintenance contracts for individual or end-user organizations. This module allows the user to create maintenance contracts based on different time periods. It is used to manage annual maintenance contracts for both individuals and companies with ease. Dashboards allow the user to examine the annual maintenance contracts. This module also contains templates for end-user agreements. It has the ability to report on annual maintenance contracts as well. To see more videos about Odoo, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.